Okay, since I have so many blueberries, I still have more in the fridge after making 4 other batches of blueberry jam. I'm going to experiment and make blueberry sauce. We have cherry sauce, we have strawberry sauce, so we're going to try blueberry sauce and see how it goes. So for this, I am not going to add the pectin right away because I need to play with the sweetness factor. Normally I would cook these until they're starting to break down a little bit, go ahead and throw the pectin in, mix it up, get it to a boil, add the sugar, bring it back to that boil, hold it for a minute, and then call it good. Jar it up, throw it in a water bath, can it. But because I haven't made this before and the recipe is going to be brand new, I have to play with it a little bit, add a little bit of sugar at a time, because once you've added sugar you can't exactly take it back out, so if it gets too sweet you're just stuck with it. So we will see how this goes. Add some heat as it starts warming up. We smash it a little bit with a potato masher, with a spoon. They break down a little bit more that way, and it just speeds the process up. If you can't smash it, you can just continue to heat it and stir it.